What's happening, everyone? I'm Hulk Wannabe. Welcome back to Hulk's Point of View. If you're a type of person to say, I can't be bothered, I'll do it later, then stick around because this video's for you. So, I hope you're all well. See that the weather's made a change for the worst. I hope everyone's still safe in their houses. Right, so in this video, this is going to be a life lesson that you could use through your whole life. Yeah. Now, what it is, I wanted to say, I hope this reaches to every person out there that says that they don't have time, or they can't be bothered, or I'll do it later. And my message to you is, make what you need to do. If there's something in the back of your mind, or you're thinking to buy something and you're not sure whether you take the chance, or I'd say just take the chance and just get through it no matter what. If it's something you desperately want or need, then I'd say just take the chance, buy it. Or if it's, for me, my fitness goals, there will be a time in my life that it will be the last time I ever pick a weight up, yeah? And it will be a sad time for me, but this will be due to either a disability I've picked up along my life, or old age, just this and that. We all got to get older, and that's something we need to come to terms with, which is a sad thing for all of us. I mean, me personally, I don't want to get old. You know what I mean? I'm a bit nervous about that, to be honest. But it's going to happen. It's inevitable. You've got to just go through life. It obviously happens to all of us. So when you're saying you haven't got time or you can't be bothered, just think. So if you're unable to do things now, then you obviously have a reason now. So if you've got a disability that stops you from, if there's actually something stopping you physically from doing what you need to do, then that's different. But what I'm saying is if you just say you can't be bothered, you're going to look back on these days, back to a day when you thought, I could have just done it then. You're just going to think, why didn't I just do it? So to save all of that and to say that you've lived your best life, not everyone gets all the money, not everyone's a millionaire, not everyone has a family, but as long as you can just say that you did all you could in your life to make it the best life, then you got no regrets. But if you're saying you can't be bothered now, then you never will. So you might as well just get that thought out of your head now, because you never will. But if you do want it so desperately, then make sure you chase it and don't never ever look back. I hope this video reaches everyone it needs to reach, and I hope you find it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. I do base my videos on either straight facts or my personal opinion, so what I've found throughout my training and my life, what I've lived. Please leave a comment below to give me some feedback, to let me know if this video helped you in any way. I'll be happy to hear your thoughts. I'm Hulk Wannabe. Thank you.